Attention, can everybody hear me? Let's do some simple TryHackMe rooms. Just for some easy points. You feel what I'm saying? I gotta turn up the brightness a little bit. Oh, we got crypto? Maybe I should do a crypto screen. Do I have like any funny crypto pictures? Excuse me. Excuse me once again. Alrighty. You know, maybe I should add this to the sock screen. It's like the true positive. Yeah, not seeing much for crypto yet, but that's alright. Oh, the cat's a little bit frustrated. Don't care about my streak at all. Look, the streak that I care about don't exist on TryHackMe. No joke. It just doesn't exist. Okay, I don't need to learn about the Caesar cipher. Sorry. Oh, from here. Yes, there we go. Okay. They always do this with crypto. They start with the Caesar cipher. Then they go into something a little bit more complicated. And then they just, all hell breaks loose. And then you're just like completely confused. You're like, how did we get here? You know? Like, are you okay? But yeah, I really gotta monitor the situation in regards to frontline. Try and get some extra bread because I'm gonna need it for the coming months. I really do not feel super good about my interview prospects personally. The recruiting firm said that I gotta go all the way to Boca Raton, which I'm not super thrilled about. Not saying it's impossible, however, listen. I told her to send me the details on the position, and then she didn't send it to me. So I'm kind of, it's making me wonder a little bit. I don't know. So that's how it is, bro. That is how it is. There's a game that I want to play. I'm going to save it for later. Again, I'm still in work mode. At some point, I'm going to get a break. But right now, I'm in work mode. So, This is what it's like using crypto. It's just a bunch of trial and error. And maybe I could use my brain to figure it out quicker, but why bother, you know? It's just crypto. It's not like life or death. Okay. Okay, bro, come on. There we go, finally. All right. Give me my flag. So, if you don't know how to do crypto, I guess this is a good primer. But personally, I'm just doing this for points. That's just how I am, for real, for real. Alright. Okay. TryHackMe is being fickle again, which is always fun. I don't really want you to copy and paste like that, you know what I'm saying? It happens. What is going on here? Okay. Oh, I gotta decode this? Oh, for fork's sake, dog. Bro, I just want to brute force this and put this through CyberChef. I mean, this mess is just such a waste of time. Alright, 2 keys instead of 1. Mailbox analogy, key distribution. Really? Here's what I want out of a TryHackMe room. What I'm looking for is I want something that I can take with me. Right, because this stuff is like, it's hands-on, yeah, but I want something that I can write down, that I can take notes on, that I can document. And sometimes TryHackMe does not provide that in particular. So funny. They always say yay or nay because they both have 3 letters. If it put yes or no, it wouldn't work. What problem does asymmetric solve that symmetric cannot? I don't actually know the answer to this. Let's see. Key distribution. Oh yeah, because PKI. Yeah, that's true. Alright. What encryption type handles bulk data symmetric? Fuck. Ding ding ding. See? We're already done with one of these rooms, man. It's been 10 minutes and we're already done with a room. Kick ass, bruh. Kick ass. I'm already in the race. Complete another activity to move up the rankings. Okay. Do the CIA Triad. I'm just chilling, man. I'm just chilling. Been through a lot this week. Hopefully we can make something out of it. Okay, so this is CIA. Your Gmail credentials are written on sticky notes. Confidentiality achieved. No. All right. Okay. I can't believe after all these years, they still have confidentiality as the first part of the CIA Triad. Like, the most important one is actually integrity, but whatever. Security mindset. It is kind of easy to remember because it's CIA. It has a 3-letter agency. It's a mindset. Security mindset. What a silly question. All right, let's just do this thing. All right. Okay. 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 System logs are deleted. Tied activity. Let's just do that for now. Okay. Okay. Yep. Yep. All right. Thank you. See, it's about balanced. Great. And we're done. Just like that. Speedrunning THM rooms. I'm joining the Gold League. Complete another activity and move up the rankings. I already did. Maybe if I do another one, I'll actually move up the rankings. We'll see. Alright, so this is data encoding. This might be a little bit more interesting. I doubt it though. Yeah. If you didn't know, the letters you type in, it's actually just this. Or this. I mean, they're all pretty much the same. In case you didn't know. Was ASCII code for the letter at. Trying to figure out how this most works. Oh, there we go. Perfection. Yeah. ASCII code for letter at. 64. Come on, number 64. Y'all know that's the legendary Donnie Finney. Legendary. I don't know what that even is. Bell alert? What is that? Ain't gonna tell me what it is. Alright then. Let's move on. Yeah, I'm sure it did cause chaos. Now there's 12 different standards for data encoding. What do we do now? I don't know. Man, it's still hot, even at 10 o'clock at night. That's why I like streaming in the winter, because it's cold, but just being live warms me up. What is the UTF encoding of relaxed emoji? Go ahead and put that in here. Oh, we gotta do this. There we go. Yeah, let me go up again. See if I can figure this out, because this is a little bit different, actually. Without going into too much depth. I don't like that. I want details. The number of bytes. Okay. So smaller, like simple characters use like maybe 1 or 2 bytes. But then like super complex stuff, you need more bytes because they were added later on. But I guess I don't think you need more than like 2 bytes. UTF-32 is the simplest but also the most wasteful. Every Unicode character code point uses exactly 4 bytes. Huh. They have a black knight in chess? Okay. Get this. Get this. Coffee. This. $16. That's something. That's something indeed. It's a white knight. Can't even really tell, really. It's a little bit different. It's like this looks like a white knight. This actually looks more like a black knight, oddly enough. It's really weird. All right. 7th place. Yeah. You won't have to drag me out of Gold League kicking and screaming, that's for sure. Base 10. 8 colors. Only 8 colors. Green was a binary representation of this. This is really weird. Alright, binary representation of this. See, copying works perfectly fine here, but then you go here and you're just like, oh, huh? Oh, now it works for some reason. But for this, they don't like it. When you copy the questions, they don't like that. And I don't really understand why. Because it works fine when you use Control-C, but when you use the right-click, they don't like that. It's a really strange thing to have. Transistor either passes or blocks electric current. Consequently, in all digital systems, everything boils down to a low or high state, representing 0 or 1. Sometimes I wonder if I should have been an electrical engineer. Don't get me wrong, I like software, I just don't like what they've done with it. That's the only thing about it. Like, I don't mind troubleshooting it, I just don't like using it, personally. Alright, FF in binary. What is that, like freaking... F is 16. So that's like 160, 76, something like that. Oh no, that's that was way off. That's 255. Was the hexadecimal AB in decimal? Disappeared, but okay. Alright, F. I love the many Fs. How many millions is that? 17 million. They're having me do math here. Come on now. I didn't graduate from school to do more math. Alright, where are we at? 6th place. Not bad for a wizard. Alright. Computer types. giving us TikTok rooms here. Takes 10 seconds to do. That's a server, of course. Alright, and this is workstation. Alright. Hidden computers. Smartphone. Embedded computer. Why computers come in different flavors? Why can't we just build one computer that does everything? Because there's no perfection in this world. You foolish child. Alright, let's see. Hidden computers. Before we start, Gabriel says, let me show you what you think a computer is. Look around this room. How many computers can you find? Well, obviously there's this. There's this. There's this. There's this. There's this. There's this. This. There's this. Impressive, you found them all. Thank you. Alright, now we got... Let's check out the cooling systems on both machines. So we got laptop and desktop. So why do your laptop overheats? Probably because it has a tiny little fan. Heat pipes and heat sink. Ooh. Large fans, airflow space, tower cooler. Ooh. That's why laptops suck. What happens when the power goes out? Gabriel smiles. Great question. Try disconnecting the power supplies and find out. Boop. Boop. Oh, shit. Gabriel's final challenge. Match each job to the right tool. Alright. Ring when the button's pressed. Obviously, that's going right here. Host a website 24/7. Edit 4K video all day. Great managing skills. Yeah. I passed the A+. Okay. This is light work. Why do laptops throttle more than desktops? Less cooling space. Server redundancy prevent. SPOF. Why do smartphones last longer on battery than laptops? Optimize for efficiency. Which features more common workstations? Your case. Oh fuck, I somehow messed that up. Many smart homes, what coordinates the devices? Cloud service. I'll take it. Great having you know, lads. You did great here. Shut the fuck up. There's no job that would hire me because I know that basic shit. Shut the front door. Yeah, we got a lot of rooms to get through, y'all. A lot. But it's going to significantly decrease the quantity. That's going to be very satisfying. Why can't I hear anything? Oh, it's probably because it changed. Yeah, it changed here. Yep. Yep. Alright. There we go. I like how it says graphics card, not video card. Even though technically a video card can do the same thing as a graphics card. They still call it a graphics card anyway. Because I know everybody's doing this as a gamer and doesn't know shit about computers. Alright. What do I do? Alright. RAM goes here. CPU goes here. Graphics card goes here. Network adapter goes here. Storage. Wait, where does this go? Actually, let me go back. Oh, obviously there. Okay. Yeah, forgot about that. Alright. Let's do it again. Easy. Piss easy, bro. Alright. Oh, okay. Alright, there we go. Oh, we have an actual machine this time. Ooh. Nah, this ain't gonna be spicy. This is just gonna be normal stuff. This is gonna be simple ass day-to-day tasks. Garden variety windows. This is stuff I learned in elementary school. Huh, the airport terminal? Okay. I mean, that's kind of a weird analogy. They're like, yeah, we're gonna make the best analogy for immigration. Anybody who came from a flight into another country, they're gonna get it. Alright. What is this? Oh, I guess it's not that complicated. Come on! Wow. An actual installation wizard. They really developed this software? I mean, I guess they could just vibe coded it, but whatever. I definitely would have. Bro, I didn't need to go here to know that this was the US. Brother. All right. Gotta go into Windows security now. Alright. Conclusion. We're done. Alright, we're number 5. It's gonna be quite a grind to get to number 4, but... Operating systems. Still in very basic territory here. It's a little bit more complicated here. Still simple work for me. Wow, they got this now? If only they could have that for the Splunk instance. Oh wait, that was the system monitor that I closed out. All right, brother. ext4, of course. This is why I like using it showing all applications. This is what I think every desktop environment should have. But of course, that's just not the case. I'll just open up a terminal. What? Maybe it's 8. It's not it either. I don't get it. Am I missing something? There's no home directory at all. What is going on here? Oh, I guess it isn't quite the home directory. Okay, whatever. Leave me alone. Alright, there's 3 of them. Alright. Took a little bit more effort. I don't know what they could possibly get from that. Excellent. Okay. Use CLI to locate and read quickly. Bro, who the fuck is gonna use this command? Whatever. Let me go ahead and take that. Oh no, I can copy it. Now that I checked it, I can copy it. Alright. Alright. I gotta finish that as well. I think if I do one more room, I can get to 4th place. So I'm 56 points. That's pretty much the average amount of points I get. Alright, virtualization, another boring ass concept. Didn't expect to get bored with IAT, but yeah, virtualization there. Here we go. I know Type 2 and Type 1 hypervisors, and oh man, we can run multiple machines on one machine. It's like, I don't know. I get bored when I hear that, bro. It's like, why not just have one machine? Oh, well, we can't do that. That's just silly. That's literally what I was feeling like when I was running virtual machines. I was like, God. Man, it would be so much simpler if I could just use one machine, but sometimes you actually need another machine for like certain software that Microsoft uses, and they're like, yeah, we can't have you put this on the domain controller. No. If you want to have a database server, you cannot use the domain controller. I mean, it is already a database, but I don't know, man. I don't see like the problem. The same machine. That's just me though. Maybe I just don't understand the enterprise impact that it could have. What? Type A, what the fuck? Look at how many fucking VMs there are. It's like, why would you make so many? I don't know. Am I crazy for thinking that? I guess I understand it, like, in a single point of failure kind of perspective. But, like, the hypervisor is also a single point of failure, so I don't know. There's always going to be like a central point of contact. It'd be one thing if you were using a thin client, but I don't know. You could like load balance these virtual machines onto multiple hosts. I gotta report it to my manager. Yeah, okay. I don't think my manager actually gives a fuck about that. My manager just wants me to keep everything in check. Keep everything in service. What is the name of the virtual machine that's running for the longest time? Let's see. Monitoring. Large amount of memory. Yeah, it's like that. The fucking virtual part doesn't even matter. It's literally just looking at an Excel spreadsheet that's fancy. Okay, we gotta solve this issue. Restart. Alright, now we have 8. The physical machine that's hosting most of the VMs. I guess it's this one. No, not that one. This one right here. Well, that machine is being pushed to its limit. What the heck? That CPU should not be that high. I promise you. That CPU is ready to burst. All right, we're number 2. Number 1 is far away though. I mean, wow. There ain't no way we catching up to him. I don't know if I have to get to number 1 in order to get to the next rank, which is probably diamond. Probably diamond. That's how it has been in most scenarios. Oh. The cloud. Who would win? Cloud services, EC2, VPS, AWS? Expensive. Reliance on third party. web portals. Floor desktops, cheap, free. All yours, baby. Noise, ASMR, case optional. Yep, exactly. It has protection. This stuff doesn't have protection. I mean, it's pretty much condomless. Alright, anyway. It's like cloud benefits, but where are the cloud drawbacks? You feel what I'm saying? That's what I'm here for. Ugh. Happened again. There we go. Alright, so renting an apartment. Some folks are very familiar with that. I'm not. Nailed it. Nailed it. Nailed it. Cloud is so easy. Wait, billing. Oh, there we go. Now that's real. AWS billing and cost management. That's where. That's the new wedding ring. Is to take your fiance to AWS billing and cost management. Man, what the fuck? Why can't I click on it? Oh, wait, it's right here, obviously. Wait, it should be here, though. I don't know, whatever. Sometimes TryHackMe does this weird shit. I'll note two. Because that's this one here. This is really weird. That's why. Why would you create a virtual machine? You already have two perfectly fine virtual machines. It says right here. $70. 150, I think. T3A. 18. 68. No? 188. There we go. Alright, cool. Alright. I guess we're doing this one next. The cloud once again. But we also got the sock as well. Why are your eyes red, son? I smoked. Don't lie. You're crying because you've been investigating a sim alert. No. Stop it. Yes. No. You're always responsible for supply chain. Always. It's kind of funny how Rel's been talking about the shared responsibility. I don't know what it is about that. Like everybody, when they talk about the cloud, they always talk about shared responsibility. It's like it's very simple. Like it's, I don't even know why that's even a topic of conversation. I don't think so. I mean, I think because it's an infrastructure, it's not going to be secure. Was my first major obstacle. Probably pay logs. This is interesting. Since you can install this image in the cloud and collect logs from the... Oh, let me pause. Let me lock in a little bit. Okay, so it says pay logs. Logging to sim may require an additional payment or license. Log fields may be incomplete, unstructured, or not documented. Lack of integration. In some cases, solutions don't support logging to the sim at all. Yeah, unless you use Leave a Charlie, which TryHackMe probably does not even know exists. But I do. I do. Misconfiguration of the bank's AWS resources allow the attackers to access all data within the bank's S3 storage. Alright. I don't get it. Okay. It's kind of high level, but I'll take it. Yeah, we gotta have the access security brokers to fight the initial access brokers. Get them to fight it out. We don't need to fight those battles ourselves. Alright. Workloads. These names really are just so pointless. Wow. I'll take it. Alright, second exercise. Alright, now shared responsibility model. Oh, okay. Alright. I didn't even need to copy that first one because I could have just gotten from there. Alright, there we go. And with that, partner, we ride on to the next prairie. What is this? What's this? I'm gonna play this at a certain point. Y'all are gonna see. I'm gonna be playing this song. You'll see what happens. Tend to forget this exists. Colonial pipeline. Panicked Americans filling bags with fuel. This is an American thing to do. We're gonna make bags of fuel. We're gonna stock up our spot with stacks and stacks of toilet paper. All I know is that in 2021 I was taking the bus, so there were no disruptions to operations at that time, I can promise you that. I like it. Safety first. Some people say be careful, but I say safety first. It's a greatest estate developer thing. If you know, you know. Alright. Safety. They failed to leverage what? Encryption. Huh, okay. I didn't know that, actually. Alright. What type of environment is this? What? ICS, I guess? I don't know why. OT is not an option. Okay. Press the start button to bring more water into the tank. Okay. Alright, fill it up, fill it up. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Fill her up. Using the HMI. Uh-oh. 85% full. Okay. Pump interlock engaged. Okay, they don't like that. Continue to allow water to flow into the tank. Oh, they do not like that at all. Here, that's a fail-safe right there. Should just open this and get some of that stuff out. Alright, I'll close it. That's fine. Alright, click open on the valve on the outtake pipe. How's the water? It empties. What the fuck? Oh my god. Oh! Okay, let me try again. Like what do they expect me to put in here? The water level. What happens to the water level? It drops. I don't know what happens to the water level. It decreases? Like what kind of answer is this? Let's just get rid of all the water, bro. Yeah, y'all are just gonna have to die from excessive thirst. It really let me drop it down to 0. Wow, that's crazy. Yeah, no water for you. Oh shit. Oh no! Reset. Bro, I don't know what to answer here. I don't know. Let's just search for it. Flow out of the tank. It lowers? Oh my fucking god. This is the biggest problem with TryHackMe. Their wording is sometimes kind of janky. Alright, we did it. Good job, me. Did it with no help. 936 points. That's what I'm talking about. Almost there. Almost to number 1. Alright, we'll do this one. Good old cross-site request forgery. I always had a soft spot for that kind of attack. Trust. Okay. Now it's a session? Okay, it's not. What is it, a cookie? The request? No. That's not it. This is the best Rainbow Road song ever. I don't get it. I don't know what this is supposed to be. Help me, Echo. I'm stuck. God, it's so slow. What? Echo. Alright. It's gonna be something super basic, but I just need to, you know, sometimes you just need to get things moving, man. You really do. Cookies, okay, thank you. Huh. It's like, what is that moving thing down there? What type of action is needed? Let's see. Authentication. That's not it. Okay. Low-key getting cooked. Alright. Alright. Can you believe this was made on a Game Boy Advance? So confused. I guess state changing. Alright. Wow. Oh my god. What the hell? Seriously? so tired of this, bro. When did they ever mention this? Explain to me when they ever mentioned tokens. Ever. Whatever, man. Fuck off. Okay. Whoops. Whoops. I was like, right out. But no, it's control. Oh, not control. Not control W, you fool. I never use nano. So. Very much used to something like a Vim. Something of that nature. I'm more of a Vim guy. I'm a Vim fella. It's gotta be a better name than that. I don't know, Vim Vagabond? There we go, finally. God, it's so weird. I think I have to do it again. I gotta get a new laptop. Wait, why is it still showing me this? It still says attacker. I think I have to log out. What? Am I missing something? Exit. I don't know, like, am I... Like, do I do it from the console? Like, I'm just confused. What? Let me see the hint. Alter the settings HTML file in the attack box. I did. I don't know what happened. Like, why is this not working? Like, I did it. What do I gotta do? Hold on, let me do this. Attack. What's wrong with my file? Oh, yeah. Come on, guys. I'm not asking for a miracle here. I'm asking for basic hard drive properties and, you know, flag checks. That's all. Alright, whatever. I can't figure this shit out. have to log into Medium. This is a members only story, so I can't even do this one. I gotta do this one, this other one here. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Cross-site request forgery, there's a reason why I'm not a pen tester. I'm a blue teamer. Because of stuff like this. It's like, oh, it's just one bar. Yeah, but it's red team. So it's just, I don't know. It's different. Alright. There we go. I don't even know what this is. This is like some HTML stuff. I don't actually know what this is, to be honest with you. Oh, demoting user from admin staff. Okay. I'm still just really confused as to how, like, I don't know. You know what? You know what? I probably should have just made another file and just put, like, the other email there, but whatever. That's probably what I had to do. It's too lazy to do it. Alright, what is the name of the encoding scheme used by the developer? Encoding. Probably base 64. Yep, of course. It's always base 64. Base 64 is not going to secure you from anything, really. Base 64 is just for convenience. It's not for security or anything. Base 64 and security shouldn't be used in the same breath. Alright. Alright, I basically fucking cheese my way through that, but I'll take it. Alright, hold the landline. Hold the landline. Where are we at right now? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16 rooms remaining. Oh, that's right. We got some TryHackMe, or not TryHackMe, God. Advent of Cyber. Advent of Cyber. Yes, that's right. Advent of Cyber. Gonna see if I can get most of these done. I don't know what's going on with my YouTube right now. Gonna see if I can try and figure it out, because it's saying that I still have the old title. Like, I'm pretty sure I updated it. I don't know what this is. Okay, this is really weird. This is really strange. I don't know. I'm not gonna bother fixing it. This is gonna have to be like this. But then again, I might as well do it, right? Yeah, I don't know what happened with YouTube, but I can tell you that I definitely did not go live with that title. So, alrighty. Advent of Cyber 2025. Is that what we finna do now? We can still do this last basic one, I guess, just for completion's sake. Phishing. The OG threat actor technique, and it still works. Only 3 tri-phones up for grabs. Oh no. This right here is cars. Scarcity. They want you to think that a car is flying off the shelves and cannot remain on the lot. Scarcity. You gotta pick it up before they get it. Before your opponents acquire it. So, urgency. This deal is only available today or tomorrow. Back to car dealerships again. Authority. I don't think car dealerships really use that. They know they ain't got no authority on to you. I mean, they kind of say like, oh, you're just wasting my time, you're not serious. That's kind of authoritative, I suppose. Fear. I don't know. What fear tactics do they use? I don't know. They definitely do use fear tactics, but nothing comes to mind at the moment. I really want to see this right now. Curiosity. Okay. Test driving the car. Trust. Trust in yourself. Self-trust. Or trust in a brand, whatever. And the car and the model that you get is actually complete trash. Even though the brand is viable and reliable and all that. Alright. I think authority is probably the most, like, nefarious one. Because how are you gonna resist following authority? They can fire you. Okay. Email spoofing. Oh yeah, DKIM demarc SPF. How did I get the exact order right? High risk. Are these like hard metrics, or is it just like a, oh well, we just wanted to make up some numbers? Whatever, I'll take a screenshot of it anyway. Attachment detonation rate. Alright. Click rate at 10%. Focus security work string. Alright. Engineering toolkit. Okay, we gotta go quickly, because I only have 21 minutes left. Phishing. Y'all know Aldi made like their own version of Dots pretzels, like seasoned pretzels. Pretty good. They're like almost as good as the original, but they're way cheaper. Let's get out of here. It says I have mail. Set. Oh wow, okay. F Society. I thought the whole point of like the command line was so that you could scroll back, but whatever. Gotta make things simple for the normies. Well, this is just really like Mario 1. I really hate how many steps there are here. But the red teamers just like SMH right now. It's like how is this taking so long for you? Just relax. Nothing. Bob. Just copy and paste. Work smarter, not harder. Alright, send. Wow. Really? Congratulations, Bob.